Hey guys, we have a repair video today. Customer said the issue was a no start problem. We will start with checking for fuel and move on to making sure we have a spark. We also want to inspect the machine for any damages. Once you have established both these things, we will try to start the machine. Just a little information about our project machine today. It's a Ryobi model number RY3716 and is a 38cc size motor. They are found at Home Depot for about $200. We have attempted to start the machine and it turned on a little bit, but didn't fully start. I will start with the fuel. We will pour out the old fuel and refill with fresh fuel. Also check to make sure these mix with oil. My next step is to inspect the spark plug for damaged oil and check for proper spark plug gap. After draining the fuel, I have noticed that the fuel has a smell and has no two-cycle oil. This could be our problem. Fuel is old and not properly mixed with oil. Pro tip here, fresh fuel properly mixed and with no fuel stabilizer will only last about a month and will damage your fuel lines if not drained. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow on all your favorite social media platforms, and stay tuned for part 2 of this project and find out how we fix this chainsaw. See you soon.